In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install Jamovi software for statistical analysis. So to download and install the software, you need to go to the google.com and then you need to search Jamovi, Jamovi software. You'll get the first link, that is jamovi.org. Just click on that and it will take you to the website of jamovi.org. Now here you can see there are several options like features, download, about, resources and contribute. And if you just scroll it down, then you will see that it is mentioned free and open statistical software to bridge the gap between researcher and statistician. So it is mainly meant for those who want to analyze their data without investing their money into buying the softwares. You can see here it makes state simple, and our integration is seamlessly because Jamovi is built on the top of our statistical language. So you can also get the code of your analysis that directly you can copy and paste to R, and you can get your analysis done in R as well. And the third last highlight of this software is free and open. You don't need to pay a single penny to anyone to use this software, and it is legal to use this for your research and data analysis. Now let us come back to the top. Here there is one option called download. Let us click on that. It will take you over here in the download page. So here you can see the download option for the Windows on the top of the page. If you just scroll it down, then you will see there is an option to download it for the Mac OS, Chrome OS and Linux OS. So here my system is Windows, so I'll downloading the Windows version. Now if you see here, then it is 1.6.23, that is solid. Solid means what? It is already stable version. It is recommended for most of the user. But if you want to access the feature of the latest version, then you should download this 2.0.0. Since it is not a stable version, you might be having some issues with that. So I recommend that you should go with the solid version, that is stable version. So let us click on this 1.6.23 and it start downloading without asking for any further information. So let it be download. So here it is downloaded. So the installation process for Jamovi is same as it is for the other software. So you have to double click on this. It will ask for the permission. Let us allow that permission and it starts installing. You have to just click on the install. It will take a while and our installation is done. So now click on the finish. Now you can go to your search bar and here you can search for Jamovi and you will see that Jamovi is there. Let us open that. Once you open that, it should look like this. So here it is the area where your data will go, and here this is the area where your output will be there. You can explore all these options, like from here you can import your data and save your file. Then under the data you can deal with manipulation operations with this data set, and in analysis you can perform various types of analysis on your data. So these are all the options that you can explore later on. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.